Do you from time to time find yourself unable to keep up and to maintain the pace at which you work? Have you ever felt that the tasks to do are far more in number than the hours on a clock? Well, this happens to all of us at some points in life. In this fast paced world where we have too many things to do, managing our time can be a struggle. Research says that people who manage their time well are more productive and remain highly motivated towards completing their tasks. Being unable to manage one's time is probably one of the greatest skills a person can have, and the sooner you learn it, the better. Being able to do this from right when you are 20 something can have pretty fruitful effects on your success later in life. Hello, aspirants. Welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I am Anuradha and I welcome you on this session about the top 8 time management hacks that can come handy to everyone who is caught up in a busy life. Well, these time management hacks are especially useful for the defense aspirants who want to achieve their goal, that is, to crack SSB interview. So, before I delve deeper into this particular topic in today's session, I want you to know that now you can also prepare from your home about all the defense competitive exams. And you can do so by logging on to our website ssbcrackexams.com or by just downloading our mobile app from the Google Play Store. So let's start with the top 8 time management hacks to crack SSP interview. And these time management hacks are useful not only for the defense aspirants, as I just said, this is useful for everyone or for anyone who want to achieve their goals in their life. So let's start. The first thing that you can do in order to manage your time is to prioritize. So you must have a big assignment, an exam, a presentation, or an important meeting coming up. All need to be done within a certain time period. It's taxing and stressful to pay equal attention to all these tasks. So to avoid the mental and physical strain, prioritize your work. Put the important and the highly urgent ones on the top of your to do list and work upon it. Not only will you be able to do things in a proper and organized manner, but also will be able to do justice to each task. Secondly, make a timetable and make a realistic timetable. I know a few people who during the exam time make timetables hoping that they would manage their time and cover every subject properly. Now, this is a good thing to make a timetable and to limit oneself to a particular task. However, being realistic while making a timetable is very crucial. You can't expect yourself to study or to work for 10 hours straight and get fruitful outcomes. Even 3 to 4 hours of quality work is more than enough. And remember to give breaks to your mind and your body. It will help you in concentrating better. Step number 3 is to review your performance on a weekly basis. Make a list of whatever work you were supposed to do and then see how much of it you have actually done. This way, you will know and realize how many tasks you have completed and much work you have done to meet your goals. It will give you a reality check and make sure that you stick to the schedule and follow the plan or the timetable that you have prepared for yourself. Once a week passes by, make another plan for the next week. It acts as a great motivator. Next, set deadlines to each task. Time yourself when you are doing a task. For example, if you're working on a presentation and you feel it will take you 4 hours to make it, then limit yourself to 2 hours. You'll be amazed that you usually would be able to complete the task within the deadline you have set for yourself. Separate time for tasks with different mental alertness. In a day, there's only so much that you can do. After working for hours, your mind and brain will just give up, and it's not very advisable to do things that require mental alertness and strategic way of working for that period of the day. So while you are mentally charged up, do the tasks that require that much mental activity and save the easy or not difficult task for when you are mentally exhausted. Do that one important thing of the day. You'll always find yourself burdened with a dozen of tasks in a day. However, there be that one thing that is highly important and must be done. So do it. Every day, limit yourself to do 1 to 2 most important tasks and then do the tasks according to your priority list. Don't keep the important tasks in the backlog. Then write it all down. Now take the sticky notes and on each write down the tasks that are in your backlog, the tasks that you have just started, tasks that are half completed, tasks that are almost done, and lastly tasks that you have completed. This will give you a holistic view of much work you have done and still have to do. You can use this list to set your timetable and deadlines. Last but not the least is not compromising on your sleep. Compromising on one's sleep seems to be the favorite and most common alternative when one is running out of time but needs to get work done. When you are 20 something, you might be able to pull this off. However, this often leads to major disorders and problems at later stages in life. Moreover, the attention level and the effectiveness of the work output is also compromised. So give your mind and body the sleep it requires. So I hope that following these major 8 hacks of time management, you'll be able to manage your time accordingly, set your deadline, complete the tasks that you have set for yourself, and this will tremendously help you to achieve your goal. As I have just said before, this time management hacks are not only useful for everyone but especially for the defense aspirants who are aiming to crack the SSB interview. So, if you want to now study for the SSB interview, you can also do so at the comfort of your home by just ordering these books off from Amazon and Flipkart. The links for these books are given in the description box below, so you can just click on the link and check out these books, which will be very helpful for all defense aspirants who are going to appear for their SSB interview. So, I hope that this session has been quite helpful and informative to you. You can also stay tuned to SSB Crack Exams to know more about the different defense exam updates, notifications, and you need to wait for my next session where I will be coming back with some more helpful and more guiding information for your SSB interview. Till then, work hard, be confident, stay motivated. Jai Hind.